What's up, you guys? It's your girl Angelique, and I am back today with a hair tutorial for you. Y'all, this hair, something has to happen to it. So I'm gonna post a picture, let you guys know what hairstyle I'm going for. So it's pretty straightforward, it's pretty simple, but I am actually going to wash my hair, and you're gonna see that shrinkage because the shrinkage is real. All right, you guys, so I am back with my washed hair. So I'm getting ready to blow dry. The way I blow dry my hair too is I put them into 4 sections and then blow dry those 4 sections so that I'll get like a nice straight blow dry. So the reason why I have them in these 4 sections too, not only to blow dry, but also this is how I'm going to flat iron my hair. I'm going to flat iron my hair into sections as well. So it's a lot easier for me to Bantu knot them. So now that I blow dried all 4 sections of my hair, I am going to now flat iron these sections. Alright, so we have the first section flat ironed, and so let's see about the edges. Ooh, let's get them edges, girl. The hot comb. Get them edges, get them edges. So now that we have like this first section that's been, you know, flat ironed and all that stuff, what I do is I make sure that I have like my rubber bands. That's what's gonna hold the Bantu knot in place. And other things that I use is this Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. It defines curls. Like it's just a really good, like, it keeps it together. We're gonna take our first section, comb it upright, and I'm basically just going to dip my hand in the mix, put it on the ends, and just Bantu knot it, just twist. Like to make sure like it's coated, well, not too much, but just enough to where you definitely feel like enough product is on there. And then that's how you wrap it. Now I'm gonna take my rubber band and put it on maybe like 2 loops. 1, 2, and there's the knot. So you want to have these Bantu knots in 4 sections, in like every section. So that's what I just do. I'm going to do the next section for you guys again, and then I'm going to do the back ones, and then yeah. So first I need to flat iron this side, so. And that is it. I'm going to put a scarf on tonight, a silk scarf, or if you have a slat, this is like a satin cap, satin on the inside, and it's like a beanie on the outside, and you just put this on and you just go to sleep just like this. Boom. But if you don't have one of these, you could just put on like a silk scarf, tie it down. It's a pretty simple hairstyle. It's pretty easy. It's just a little time consuming, I think, especially when you have to wash and blow dry your hair and then flat iron it as well. So it's just a little time consuming. So if you have some time, if you're planning on going to like a cute special event or something, just make sure that you do this hairstyle the night before and then take it out either the next day or like in the morning time, whatever, and then just let it be free, let the curls bounce, let it flourish, and you should be good. But all the products that I use will be in the description down below so that you guys may be able to go out and buy some of the products and use it on your hair. Let me know how the products work out for you. Sometimes the products are good on, you know, different hair textures or hair types and stuff like that, so just be aware of that. But for anybody, I highly recommend BioSilk. Like, BioSilk is it. So I'll see you guys in the morning. So y'all, it is the next morning, and so now I am going to go one by one and taking the rubber bands off of the hair. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna comb through it with my fingers just so that the curls just fall out. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to grab some edge control and sort of like lay my edges just a little bit. I don't think they really need it, but just a little something. I'm trying out different edge controls to see which one works with my hair. The one that really worked the most was Design Essentials, but I didn't see it at the beauty supply when I went. So what I just do, I just dabble my edge brush. Yeah, this is the edge brush, y'all. It has like a little brush on the side and has like a comb on the other. So I'm just taking just a little, not too much. And I'm just going to put it on my edges. With some edge controls that I'm like skeptical about, I do put like holding spray a little bit to my edges. Also, if you guys have any recommendations on like what edge controls work, because I don't like the ones that are like greasy and all that stuff. So what I do to make sure my edges stay laid is I just tie them down for about like 30 minutes to an hour, and then take it off before I go. Or just to be real with y'all, I have it on when I'm in the car driving to the destination, and then I just take it off. So I'm gonna wait till my edges lay a little bit, and then I'll come right back. All right, so I've taken off my scarf. Edges are a bit laid. So now again, I'm just gonna like play with it a little bit to just shape it to where you want or how you want. And this hairstyle is cute. Like, you're going to like a cute like birthday dinner or something, or even to work, like, you know, you want to do something cute with your hair, trying to have it out light work. This is it. Let me know if you guys have used any other products on your hair, and if you do this hairstyle, like, let me know how it turns out. Your curl patterns might be a little different. I was like, just try it out and see if it comes out not exactly like this, but something to your liking, and just like fluff it up, flourish, and like make it work for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment in the description down below if you like this hairstyle, or if you don't like this hairstyle. Let me know. Peace.